Global skills, local excellence. This week, Pinyo Auto Parts Co. Ltd welcomed engineers from Kosovo for Phase E of our revolutionary air suspension core revival system training. Witness the future of maintenance. Our cutting-edge equipment adding oil and gas to the shock absorber cores with surgical precision, zero trace, maximum performance. Knowledge in action. From guided troubleshooting to seamless resealing. Watch technicians master the art of invisible repair under expert mentorship. Certified results. Every revived core passes rigorous sharp point inspection, smoother than factory specs. Ready to redefine aftermarket value. Join the maintenance revolution. DM for training schedules or bulk equipment quotes. Let's elevate repair standards together.